to Ice Arts and Crafts. Today we're going to make a fidget spinner out of a paper cup. You can use big or small paper cups, but I'm using small. The other things you will need are scissors, a toothpick or barbecue skewer cut about this big, and some colored markers. Here are a few to show you. And the last thing you'll need is a hot glue gun. Ooh, some came out. So let's begin. So everybody, I forgot to mention that your barbecue skewer has to be about 2 inches long when you cut it. That is if you are using a barbecue skewer. Now we're going to cut the cup. And just like the windmill, you're going to use the points and cut it not all the way at the end. Okay, let's begin. So I'm going to be using the purple to mark it. And then do the top. Actually, you can't really see that. So I'll just use the green. Okay, so do the top and the bottom and the side and this side and in between. And now to cut it. And there we go. Now we're going to put it out just like the windmill too. So these two crafts are pretty alike. They're pretty much the same, just for different uses. And then now we're going to color it in. So I'm going to start with a swirl of gold. And there we go. Now, I'm going to do the curves, but if it's easier for you, you can do the curves at the beginning if you haven't started yours yet. And next, you're going to take your toothpick or your barbecue skewer and poke a hole if you're allowed to. But if you're not allowed to, you can get an adult to do it. There we go. And then stick you in there. Alright, so next you're going to take your hot glue gun and then put it on this side. And then take your toothpick or barbecue skewer and then push it out like this. And then once you've done that, you're going to hot glue the other side so it sticks. On the windmill video, we did Play-Doh because this part still had to not spin. Had to spin. But this one, can't spin, it has to spin with it. Whee! There it goes. It's a really fun toy to play with when you're bored, especially if you like fidget spinners. So that's your video for today, everybody. And here's my fidget spinner, how it turned out. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below if you have any other ideas what we should do next. And comment down below what your favorite season is so we can do some themed season crafts. Bye!